Welcome back to another video. Today we will be repairing this Chirpy-Chi from the Mcdonald's 2001 Robo-Chi line. So, Chirpy-Chi uses 3 triangular head screws, and you will need a triangle security bit, and you will want one that is thin for this. This one is homemade, but you want to find one online that is thinner so that you can properly get into the deeper screws. So, start taking the screws out. And there's one behind the wing. So just like that. And now we can pull it apart. And here we have the inside mechanism. And Chirpy-Chi uses 2 LR41 type batteries. So you'll want to remove the old batteries first, of course, if you're opening this for the first time. And if there's any corrosion on here from the old batteries, you'll want to clean that up with a little bit of sandpaper. Anyway, we can insert the batteries with the positive side facing towards the tail. There's 1, then there's 2. And before we close it up, we can test it out. And you hear it's making the noise. So, simply put this back on, just like that. And then you can put the 3 screws back in. And I do not have the worm. I do not have the worm that came with this. But we'll just use this birdseed one instead. So, the idea is to guide the food right in front of this area right here so that it could set off the magnet inside. And I'll let you hear the noises that it makes. I think there's 3 different noises. So there you go. And it's really cool the way this works. With the whole set with the magnets and everything. Using 2 magnets, come on, at the same polarity makes them push away from each other. So we have 1 magnet right there and 1 inside of here. And as you can see, it'll force the magnet to make contact with this little board right here. So, very cool, very creative. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.